teach you how to do the Riffle shuffle. First I will show the Riffle shuffle again. Okay, as full Riffle shuffle will be happen. Now I will teach you how to do the Riffle shuffle. First you must take two piles and take one pile I will teach you and put your pointer finger here and other three finger and your thumb finger was here. Now you can see here you must cut like this. Other pile even like that. Practice to cut like that. After that you must put one by one. Okay, put one by one. One. Other one. I will put very fastly. Okay. You must put very fastly, then only it will be nice. After that you must do it fastly, and now you will come at this point. Okay, then now in this point you have other two thumb fingers. Okay, and take this thumb finger like this, and you must lose the card set. Okay, like that the Riffle shuffle will be happen. I will teach you again. 1 second. Don't think about it, it is hard. Okay, one by one, and you must slowly put like this. Okay, like that only the Riffle shuffle will happen. I will show again. Practice whole day will be very interesting, and this shuffle is good for magic, and it will be so much interesting and very eye-catching. So now today I will go. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's magic 360. Okay. So I will come in another video in next week. For today I will go. So bye.